Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today we're gonna make a fluffy hair leave-in conditioner cream. So first of all, I'm gonna need an empty container, and I have here my plastic empty container. Then I'm also gonna need some shea butter, and I have here 120 grams of shea butter. This is unrefined shea butter, very pure. Then I'm gonna need some henna oil, and this has frozen up, and that's why it's so hot here. So I have a video on my henna oil. If you're interested, I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. And this is 60 grams of henna oil. Then I have here another 60 grams coconut oil, and I have a video on coconut oil in the description box. You can check it out. So I'll just go ahead and put everything into the container. Then I have here my pure vitamin E oil. I'm just gonna put in 1 tablespoonful. So everything is ready here, and this is our mixture. So I'll bring water to a boil now, and I'm gonna put in my mixture to melt everything up so that they can mix up. So it's been after 3 minutes, and as you can see, it started melting up already. So we're 5 minutes in, and it's almost finished melting. And it's after 7 minutes, and everything has melted and mixed up, and here we are. So I'm just gonna put off the fire and let it cool down. So this is our oil, and as you can see, it looks so green. So I'm just gonna leave it outside because it's very cold outside, and let it freeze up a little bit. So it's been outside for like 20 minutes, and this is how it looks now. It's not frozen yet, but you can see the sides are a little bit frozen, and this is how I want it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and come in with my avocado oil. I have a video on the avocado oil. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box so you can check it out. I'm gonna put in 1 tablespoonful of pure avocado oil. I'm gonna come in with my mixer, and I'm gonna mix everything up. So I whisk this for 3 minutes, and this is how it looks like, and I'm just gonna let it stand alone for like 5 minutes. So it's after 5 minutes, and this is how it looks like now. You can see everything has really mixed up well, and is almost frozen. It's like a semi-liquid, you know. So this is how it looks like. So I'm just gonna come in with my whisk and mix it up again. I'll just whisk this for 4 minutes more. So I've been whisking for 4 minutes, and you can see the color is getting lighter, and this is the consistency, and I love this so much. So I'll just take a spoon and make sure I scrape the sides and everything. that didn't get mixed up and try to get it again. So we'll go ahead and mix it for 5 minutes more. So here we are now, and I've been mixing it for 5 minutes now, and this is how it looks like. It looks like mayonnaise. It's so soft and it looks so edible. So I'm gonna go ahead and sterilize my container and transfer everything inside. So here we are now. This is our hair conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner and it softens up your hair. It's so soft and it looks so good. This will not freeze up during the winter and it spreads easily on the skin too. So you can decorate it with a ribbon if you want to and give it out as a gift. So this is it, guys. Give it a try. Let me know how it comes out for you. Give me a thumbs up, share this video, leave me a comment in the comment section, and I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.